So if your nozzle's too close to the platform, we know exactly what that looks like and how that can impact the print, but also if it's too far away, what that can look like and what we need to do to rectify that. Obviously the sweet spot is where it's perfect, we call that the Goldilocks first layer, but you know, we need to know how to fix that if it's not quite the case. So with the first layer here, what we're looking for is that we've got a nice squash into the platform, so we're getting almost like the bead is spreading, and also that as the lines that go across and across and across, what they're starting to do is overlap each other so that we shouldn't be introducing any porosity into this first layer. What that's then going to do is as it moves further up through the print, we're going to make sure that it's stuck down properly, and we're not going to get any challenges as we progress through. So what we're looking at here is a layer that's too close to the platform. As you can see, we're drawing the toolpath, but we're not actually depositing very much. This can cause us one or two problems later down the line, just in case if the material can't come out of the nozzle, it's going to be chewing up in the back of the feeder, which could then cause us a blockage, which we won't necessarily notice until it's too late and it's gone through a few more layers of the print. So just making sure that if you get to this stage, we do go through a recalibration just to make sure we're set at the right level. So what we're looking at here is a layer that's too far away. So what we'll start to see is that the lines themselves aren't actually fusing together. So what that also means is it's not being pushed into the platform, so it's not going to stick very well. So as the print gets taller and taller, that could cause it to rock and come away from the platform, and we end up with a spaghetti kind of looking print all over the machine. So what we want to do with that is recalibrate it so it's a little bit closer to the nozzle, just to make sure that everything's set up properly.